Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's video we are going to learn how to draw the projections of a hexagonal lamina when it is touching the horizontal plane by one of the sides, whereas the side opposite to that touches VP. It's a nice problem and also a very important problem from the viewpoint of examination. So, without wasting our time, let us see what is there in store in today's video. A hexagonal lamina of side 30 mm rests on HP on one of its sides. It says sides here. Whereas the side opposite to that touches VP. Friends, after reading the first line in the question, it is confirmed that the lamina is going to rest on one of the sides on HP. And as a general rule, whenever the lamina is resting on HP or it has to rest on HP on one of the sides of that lamina has to be perpendicular to VP, and in this particular problem both the sides will appear normal to VP. So friends, I am going to construct a hexagon of the given side 30 mm, wherein the side AB of the lamina is perpendicular to VP, and even this DE is also perpendicular to VP. So let us name these corners as A, B, C, D, E and F. This is the top view of the lamina, and corresponding to this we are going to get the front view as a line on XY. So that's going to be named as A dash, B dash, this is C dash, F dash, and finally this is D dash, E dash. So this is how the lamina looks in the front view. And remember friends, that whenever a lamina rests on HP, its front view is going to be a line on XY. That's why we have got a line here. And this line, A dash, B dash, D dash, E dash, represents the surface of the lamina resting on HP. And next in the question it says, the surface of the lamina is inclined at 50 degrees to VP. So you know friends, the VP and the HP are perpendicular to each other. If it is making an angle of 50 degrees to VP, the angle made by the surface of the lamina is 40 degrees. That is obtained by subtracting this angle made with the surface with VP. That is 90 minus 50 will give you 40. So it is just given to confuse students. So what you should do, we are going to redraw this figure having length m. This length can be measured by placing a scale on the xy line. And we are going to redraw this figure number 1 as figure number 2, and these two figures are exactly identical, and this is valid even for the solids which are projected. Now friends, I am going to draw a line here at an angle theta equal to 40 degrees, and obviously when theta is 40, the angle made by the surface with the VP will be 90 minus 40, that will come automatically 50. Now friends, corresponding to this front view, we are going to obtain what is called the top view. So that is possible by projecting all these lines one by one. Let me start with point A or the corner A. Vertical line from A dash, horizontal from this A. The point where they intersect is point A. Similarly, we obtain B on this. C, vertical line from this C dash, horizontal line from here. They meet at this point, and we call this point as C. This is D, E and F on the same line. Friends, now we will join all these corners by straight line. So I am going to write A to B, E to D, D to C, B to C, then F to A, FE. So this figure, friends, when you compare with this, you find that the side AB, side ED, both of these have the same length as that of the original figure, because this line is perpendicular to VP and it will have a dimension of 30 millimeter. That is very important, a important point to be noted. Friends, if you compare these two, you find that there is reduction in the width because of the inclination of the surface of the lamina with the HP. Now friends, what does he say next? He says, draw its projections when the side opposite to the side on which it is resting is on VP. Friends, you can see here, the lamina is resting on side AB on HP. So we have to replace or redraw this figure number 3 as figure number 4, such that the side AB, which is touching the XY line, you know, should be parallel to this XY, and this D should be above the XY line. So I have to redraw this figure to the same dimension such that the side DE is on XY, because the line C dash D dash or the edge C dash D dash is seen as a line parallel to XY in the front view. Friends, let me get all these points one by one. Or let me start with point A. Write a vertical line from A, horizontal line from A dash. They meet at this point. We call this as point A. Similarly, horizontal line from B dash, vertical line from B dash. The point of intersection will give you the point B dash. So you got A dash, B dash. Similarly, write a vertical line from C, a horizontal line from C dash. They intersect at this point, call it as C dash. Similarly, the point D and E can be located using the same principle. Friends, this figure below the XY line will give you the final top view of the lamina, and this will give you the front view of the lamina. Friends, after completing the problem, it is our duty as a student to check whether the solution we have got, that is the front view and top view, are correctly drawn or not. So how to verify? Friends, you can see here, the lamina is resting on HP on one of the sides. That side is AB, as you have seen. That side AB you can see here. And its surface is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP, that is theta, that is given in the question. So you can immediately say that is making an angle of 50 degrees to VP, because the VP and the HP are perpendicular to each other. And friends, finally, since the side AB is on HP, its front view is seen on XY as A dash B dash. So the solution, whatever you have got, is perfectly correct. Friends, please go through the complete video, and after going through the complete video, if you find this useful to you, do share this information about my video and my YouTube channel link with all your friends without fail. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.